What is oh, like this way. Okay.
You put it there.
No. You hold it now.
Okay.
Because you will. You are the captain.
They think that it's for public, but it's private.
Hey. How was it again? Somebody's there already or what?
Yeah, I think so.
You can see.
Somebody like Josa Cream wave. Hello, hello. Pareng, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Pareng Shang Bait Ni Pareng. Nim Leit Shang Re, Ni Leit Thied Jhur.
Oh yeah, you can speak Khasi.
Yes. We don't go roam around, we go buy some vegetables. Namala Shai Gade Commit New Mantasi Gade Commit New Year. Das Gade Commit New Year ma. Teng Leit Chapo Yo Mau Long. Ka Yo Hapo Nong Po Jingi. Ni Leit Ban Leit Thied Jhur. Mam das ngin pet niet. Nam Tala Shai. Te Nakaliang Jungi Advance New Year ya Pibaro. Yang Shai Yang Klein. Kalau untuk snap teman ini pediang ajik komen happy baru. Oh, Happy New Year to you too, Josa, Priam. Happy New Year. Oh, thank you so much. Bless you, Boon.
Oh, there is a...
Oh, itrim hangin man niya auto. Somebody says you are a good driver.
Is it?
You know how to drive auto.
Yes, we Finnish people, we are good drivers.
Yes.
We have many good motorsport drivers in Finland. Formula F1, Rally.
Ikun idon ba ihamen jonga imen nga ipetpayam nama bangi idang tia ti miami benle Thied Jhur menta nama lasai tem don dukan remo dengi kwa benle Thied Jhur ro iklan ba ikulung isat ba. Oh, somebody wants to meet you and staying in Downgate.
Ah,
What do you like to say?
we will see about it.
Yes.
Downgate place to be.
Oh, Happy New Year to you too, Kong Lina. Kumno Paduh Pilong.
Paduh Piang.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too. Harway Bol Baring. Bol Baring.
Baring ko kakaliding. Kakaliding stop. Kali kabus. Kate menderenga baik kamai kayanga. Kabule ba menterega ni ba ay palwa.
Okay, new version. The
That's
song
a
is
new
new version.
That's a Paduh.
By Paduh Aki.
That's a Paduh version.
Yes.
Paduh version.
Kwa Shatman. Oh, come. We will dance together. Nginya shat lang. Nginya shat. Nginya kemen. Nama usnem tumai ulawan. Midon hapo kane kayo maulong.
Yo Maulong.
Trendy twirls. Midon hapo yo maulong. Iwan Thied Jhur.
Yo Maulong.
अभी हम लोग GF को तलक दूंगा माँ बाप मैडम कहाँ जा रही हो. हम लोग मार्केट पे है सामान खरीदने के लिए. मेहमान.
Meban was there.
Yes.
Mr. Meban.
My best friend.
Mr.
Ngay
Meban.
tanat bhaya pi baro arno cute couple. Big fan of you. I like your English pronunciations. Happy New Year in advance to you all. May God bless you and your family. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. And for you too, Happy New Year. with full of blessing,
Full of blessing and
full of
success.
blessing and success for this new year for
Yeah.
all your family.
2025.
Yes. Ikerman mo hunus nam utmay urwan rai ka jing suk ka jing man hapo ka ye ka sam ka jing pi nang shai nang klan you play udah rengkat parti te pinya kemen ngin pedang burom ngin kemen ni kana ka sam mai be job pedang mo hunus nam benwan arzat arsan. Actually nga ipa jangai day asmis imay day kasi.
Asam is
Nga
Kasi.
day balang ukris. Scooby-Doo. Yes, yes. नेपाल से हो क्या? नहीं, हम नेपाल से नहीं है. हम यहाँ मेघालय से है और मैं खासी हूँ. और इकलुंग nama bidang rit palat mite ngipat laban penyo imo di lakam he kiniate nginsapen I pisya barro.
It's always difficult to park here.
Ada jai ta thar, ada na po shela. Tamba ngalakha la pun hane ha po nong po. Oh, sure ngin sapen I klum jengi mo nanta na mabidang rit palat emte takadaw ken. Di lakam he kinyat ni sakuloy ban pen I ti. Obviously short video but klum next time. Berkat Pak Syong Auto lang. Pila batuan. Lamprang lengdo. Paduh too excellent nang kloy ban. Kran kasi. I like you very much. Yes, si Paduh idang persang ban kan kasi man kapol mo ban ngarang yale ban ikay iro na marbang ago ban ikay bay ina mas TV bay klum idang rit. Te kasi por ban ikay tang wala katar I persang bay hi. Yale ban kran nakatin kasi bay iro. Hayin. Thied. Oh, nga day para ba di Miss Monica, nga day para kadua juga. Okay, gila poy, hakayo menta. Ngidang pa kaya kanya ka auto. Te menta ngin late ban.
Lila Poi. How you say? Lila Poi mo?
Ngila ya poy.
Ha? Ni.
La. Ya poy.
Ya Poi. Ni. La.
Ya poy. Mentangin late ban Thied Jhur.
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 Ngilay Thied Jhur kay menta. Mo.
Mo.
Marba menta singin de ban pet kamit New York te. Ngilay Thied Jhur nginya bam lang shi yeng shi sam nginya kemen ngin pediang burom yo nus nem thamai. Nakajig kemen. Then we will go buy vegetables now. We will cook food together with the family. We'll eat together. We will receive this new year with full of love and happiness and success in our life.
Absolutely, no doubt about that.
All the blessing
All the blessing
upon you,
upon us, upon everybody. Bro, you can hold the camera. You can talk with the audience there.
Oh yeah.
Here it is.
You hold it.
Here it is. Mo.
Yes, because
Okay,
I need to focus on the road and I can talk a lot.
Yeah, we can do together like this.
Paduh mentas ni lah kids non dak pelayo. Nama ba ilai Thied Jhur ti haban kit dak pelayo kan.
How you call this again?
Pelayo.
Pelayo.
Nama gitu hari kasih tinggi deh. Kapla ka jungi ka deh dak pelayo mah. Kit.
Does it suit for me?
Oh, it suits you nicely. Wow.
Guys, how you think? Does it suit for me? Pelayo.
Paduh aki ya hama ban kit ka pelayo. Ni na.
To.
Hoi, I may khai la lệ. Mình chỉ nghĩ là lệ bụi I may khám á. Là lệ nó, but I mình cần thấy dừng I rồi. Mình cần thấy dừng I kia. Cái là lệ, cái là đập con khu con đỏ xoay I Elina á. Oh, this Lamprang is nice. You never miss our video. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Lamprang.
Much love.
Ngikirman menginyo kendo ipi mah kawai kesini. I said we hope that we can meet him one day.
Yes.
Kawai
Of course,
ki
why not?
klan bhai klong. Okay, you hold this.
Okay, I hold it.
Because it's
All right, guys.
I don't want to hit myself in here.
Yes. We need to always take care of that. Hello, how are you? Always need to take care of the cars and traffic here in India. Hello, guys. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine. Okay. Go suki. Many people here. Market day. Yo. Hello. How are you? Yo, go play. Go play.
Thì bạn ông cũng nghe cảnh cả New Year cả bác sụp yap khi bà rõ. Say cả New Year.
Huh?
Say cả New Year.
Can you near?
No, New Year thế say cả
Ka.
New Year.
Ka New Year.
Cả bác sụp
Kabasu.
yap khi
Yapi.
bà rõ.
Baro.
Yes.
So it means Happy New Year.
Yes.
Again.
Cả New Year.
Ka New Year.
Cả bác sụp
Kabasu.
bakamen
Pakamen.
yap khi bà rõ.
Yaki Paro.
Yes, good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Learning
Yeah, learning. Okay.
every day.
Nobody is perfect in this world. We make a mistake, and from the mistake, we learn. Ndono brio, neka brio, kababiang baro mo. Munsin ni jubakla ka jing em jeni, telang ba ka jing bakla ka jing igay ni, penbet ya la dia. Kumno.
Next president.
Super, sir.
Super.
Yes.
Okay.
I already subscribe your channel.
Thank you very much.
Play.
Subscribe. Huh?
I am from TLSK channel.
Okay.
TLS
That's
channel.
TLSK channel.
TLHK
But I
channel.
stay at Umkarpiang village.
Okay. Thank you so
You'll
much.
check it out.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Share, like and subscribe. Should we go in this side more?
Oh no, we go that side.
That side.
Oh, wow, what's the horn is that?
It's funny also here. People have different kind of.
I know one horn. I
What?
can be that horn. Ding 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding. My goodness. Ding, 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 ding. So I was saying that here in India it's different. That people have so many. Oh, there is an auto driver. Woman is driving an auto. That's nice. Cool. Yeah. So I was saying that there is different kind of horn sounds and songs, and some of them they are so loud that you know your ears will explode. Oh, Bolbaring! Somebody is saying Bolbaring here. Oi! Oh, Bolbaring. What?
Wow, such a big. I would love to eat.
You will look at that one.
Wow.
Nice. That's a nice. Look at that one. That chicken is also cool.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's like a.
But I like the roast.
Hello. How are you? You're good. I am good. I'm good. Yes. Happy New Year. Bless you, brother. Bless you. This one, it's a like a white
I like the roaster.
white chicken rooster.
I like.
But this is
This
better.
is the roaster.
Yeah, this looks better. Definitely. Which one you could choose, red or white? Obviously the red one. Let's put it in the front camera also, like back camera. Here, you see. So you guys, you see, Mao Yolong. Mao Yo. Ah, it's fully packed, isn't it?
I thought you have lost somewhere.
I never lost you on my side, okay? Never lost on your side. Always seeing you. So she is showing the way.
I'm leading the way.
Yes, of course, you are leading the way. Definitely.
Hey, Bianco.
Bianco,
Hi.
how are you guys?
I'm fine.
How you doing? Everything okay?
Yeah.
Biang.
Yeah.
Okay. Shano.
Saya yo.
Hiu.
Oke.
Okay.
Kayu mengi.
Aha. Okay, to bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. All right. But last time when I were here with my mom and my sister, it was more busy. Now it's also obviously every time is busy here when it's a market time. People come to sell fruits, meats, clothes, you name it. Anything you can buy from here. And like I always say, garlic is a medicine. Medicine, no? Oh. So also, this Kong is saying that garlic is medicine. It is very good. Huh? Dawai. Okay, so. Paduh Poi, hello. Hello. This is not Nepal, this is India. India, Meghalaya. Hello. Marvin, hello, how are you doing? You are copying a foreigner in Bollywood. Copy nobody, be only for yourself. That's the one way of success. Never copy, be yourself. And find the deep yourself and show it to the world. That's the way of success, guys. Kumno Pilong, people, where are you watching? From where you are watching, guys? Tell us. We want to know. Oi, I'm from Finland, and here is the meat seller. Show you. So here is the master, like I have said.
Buy veggies first.
Veggies. Okay, he will. You say that give a good piece.
Yeah, I will come.
Okay, good. From Delhi. Hello. Oh, Delhi. Nice. Somebody's watching for Delhi. Baby is good. Happy New Year, Ma. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Baby is good. Lots of love from Shillong. Hello, Shillong. God bless you, Shillong. Where else people are watching? Shillong, from India. Messi guy. We do many things. And one of the things what we do is YouTube. Okay, here we are buying some veggies. Okay, I show you. Umling also is there. Hello, Umling. So this how they lay down all the veggies here. You can choose tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, fresh beans, you name it. Nongstoin, hello Nongstoin. Yeah, she's my wife. Beautiful wife. Nongstoin, I really want to come to Nongstoin. Nongstoin is very beautiful. I know Nongstoin as like this, how you call it? It's like a bumpy hills. It's very beautiful, like grass bumpy hills. It is very nice. Hello. Some cute baby was there. How much is the beans and carrots? Actually, I don't know. I will let you know when I know. I will let you know. I'm middle of the road here. I think I feel like I'm on people's way. So it's gonna go here on the side. She's picking up the potatoes now. Yes, definitely. We are match made in heaven. Somebody say pareng. Pareng. Paduh Poi. Hello, Dari. Hello. How are you? Umden is there. Umden is there. Hello, guys. Hello, Starly. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? Kumno pilong? Biang. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. And people are very nice in this area, I'm telling you guys. Paham Sim, shout out Paham Sim. Shout out Paham Sim. Paham Sim is great place. It's nice place. Hello there. Hello guys. Yes, a little bit shy. A little bit shy kid. We are fine. We are doing absolutely. We are absolutely doing fine. You like Tung Rumbai? Guys, I gotta tell you that me and Tung Rumbai, we are high and by friends. Okay, so I have tried many times, but I still haven't get used to it. But I love Kasi food. There is many good foods in your culture that I love. So that's what. When I will go home, I'm already in my home. India is my home. Meghalaya is my home. But definitely we will visit Finland. Definitely we will go there because my family is staying there. My grandparents are staying there. My mother, my sister is staying there. So we definitely go there. Definitely. Finland is very beautiful place. I'm telling you. Finland is called for thousands, hundreds of thousands of lakes land. We have approximately actually 180,000 lakes. And it's very clean water. Many of the lakes actually you can just drink the water like that because it's very clean. And we have also a lot of forest. But we don't have jungle. We don't have jungle, but we have a lot of forest. Lot of forest. Where is Black Barbarian? Black Barbarian is he's in Tanzania now. He's in Tanzania now. Yeah, definitely we're gonna enjoy Kingside. We're gonna enjoy the New Year. We're gonna enjoy because obviously the year is gonna change. So definitely we will enjoy. No doubt about that. You will see my wife soon. Thank you very much for new subscriber. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. We appreciate it a lot. We appreciate it. Bring me boyfriend from Finland. There is you contact Black Barbarian. He's still a single man. You watch our videos. He's a good looking guy. He has the muscles and everything. He's a nice looking guy. We're gonna enjoy what's plans New Year. We're gonna enjoy with the family. We have a big family here in India. So we're gonna enjoy with the family. We're gonna cook nicely food. We're gonna make a cake. Because my mother actually teaches us to make nice cakes. So we're gonna make the cakes like my mother has teach us. Because my mother has worked as how you call it, like a bakery. Yes, she has baked all kind of things for 25 years. No, let me think again, 30 years. So she have a lot of experience. And when you taste my mother's cake, I'm telling you guys, you will also take your tongue. You know, you suck your tongue also because it's so good. It's very delicious how my mother makes cake. And gotta tell you guys also that you cannot have that kind of cake from here. My mother's cake is the best cake. Okay. Okay, here is the veggies. These good veggies, fresh veggies. It's a fresh, nah? Fresh. Yes, fresh one. Good. Good, good. Very good. Very good, fresh. Yes, 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 yes. Hello, hello, hello. Somebody was punching on me back, but was my friend. Hello, hello. Eat kwai. I don't eat kwai. Few times I have eat kwai, but I don't eat kwai, nah? Yes, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Let's see also what else we have here. Thank you very much. Yes, we look cute. Thank you very much. Oh, that's nice to hear if your mom is watching. Ah, that's nice to hear. Nice to hear. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support, guys. Heavy workers. Heavy workers. Hello, brother. Happy New Year. Happy New Year for you too. no, he didn't miss. What do you have?
Kilip, hangar, kilip.
Kilip. What is kilip? I don't know what is kilip. What he have? Something he's selling. Okay, so no, he didn't mess anything up. He was just adding a spicy in our content. Black Barbarian, he's a nice man. He's a nice guy. Happy New Year. Sunshine, Happy New Year also. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Can I marry Finland girl? Of course, why not? Of course. Why not? Why not? Mairang, hello Mairang. Hello Mairang. Hello Mairang.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
Okay, good. Shano, where you go? You come here?
Yes.
In market only.
Now you eat social media.
Ah. Oh, Kublai Like and subscribe. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. They are also subscribers. Selfie, why not? Yes, yes, of course. Let's have a selfie.
Wait, okay.
Yes, yes. No problem, no problem.
Fast done, yes?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Kublai Shibun. Kublai Shibun.
I'm Leit.
Okay. Toto. Toto. Hello.
Remember me?
From where?
Before we had a long hair.
Yes, I had a long hair, but now the long hair is gone. It's gone. How are you? Where are you going? That side. No? Okay, that's good. God bless you and Happy New Year.
Yes.
Happy New Year.
That
Yes,
is
yes.
what I want to say.
Yes, yes. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Yes. Okay. Yes, yes. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. All right. Lake of Fire. Yes, definitely it's a lake of fire. Yes, yes, because we have many lakes. Many lakes. Money, money. Money, money, here is money. Talk. I will take the back more. Oh, yeah, yes, yes, yes. Okay, we put it in the back. Oh, to. Yes, this is very good. This is very useful. And is it so that many people put this also in the head, right? If it's too heavy. Oh, because it's getting heavy, no?
Yeah, getting heavier.
Kumno pilong. Biangdo.
Okay,
Biangdo. Okay, we go.
Place.
Another place. That side or this side? Which side? Hayeng. All right. Oh.
Here. Somebody smoke.
What else we need?
Keep nice in the wallet.
Yes, of course. We're gonna spend New Year with our family. Family only. Good time with the family. Eating nicely, eating cake, enjoying, dancing also, singing also. That's how we're gonna celebrate it. What is the? This was Yo Mao Long, right?
Vô màu lòng nè.
Yo Mao Long. Yo Mao Long Market. Here we are. I always get it wrong. Why is it? It's hard to say. What is this one?
Muli.
Muli. Okay, so this is muli. Muli veg.
Ini yang di dekat ya. Radish.
Thank you very much. My mustache. Yes, I'm growing.
Okay, we go down now.
Okay, we go down there. No? Gonna get some meats. Some beef, some chicken. Huh?
Như lại thịt kutung.
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 Yeah, kutung.
What is kutung?
Kutung is a dry fish.
Dry fish. Spicy dry fish. Smelly one. Huh? What else we have here? Skin. This is liver. Liver good. Liver is good. And the skin. Skin pork or what? Intestine. Oh, okay. It's intestines. Brother, I have already worked. Already working. I'm working every day. Every day I'm working. Many works to do. Many works to do. Okay, let's see here. Oranges. Yes, I have recognized that people like smelly foods. Smelly foods people like. Like to eat like that. I like also some of them, but there was also, what is the name? What is the call? Is it tumtap? Is it tumtap or what? Tumtap is also, is it tumtap is dry fish, right? Is it dry fish? Tumtap. If you cook the tumtap nicely, it's good taste actually. Very good taste. We have whole family in our house to take care of Elina. No worries about that. Our house is always full packed. Children and mothers and fathers are there. Yes, tumtap is dry fish. Yes. Tumtap, actually it's good. Here you cannot find, I should go Nagaland to eat the dog meat, because here you cannot find here. Actually, I don't know, maybe some people eat dogs, but I never seen that some people eat dogs here in Meghalaya. But in Nagaland, I think you can get it anywhere. Hello, greetings from USA. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Bless you, USA. Bless you, USA there. Donald Trump. Who is here? Oi! Hello! Oi! Merry Christmas, mo.
Christmas advance New Year.
Yes, advance New Year. There's the cousins. Bye. Like I said, we have big family here. Very big family here in India. Oh, salads. Let's have some salads. Oh, tuh. Kane, this is what? Tum rumbai is this one. Tum rumbai. So this is that one. Yes. It is tum rumbai. Tum rumbai.
Ano kong yun? Ay, gambar na, ano?
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, hello.
I'm going
Okay. Bye. Bye.
live.
Yes, it's live. Yes. Okay. Speaking kasi kumno pilong biang do pila de bamja. Guys, have you pila de bamja? Have you eaten? Let me ask for you. I will ask for you. Somebody ask how much is 1 kg tomato. I will ask for you. Just a second. Nah, where is tomato here? Can I see tomato here? Here is tomato. Okay, yeah. Okay, to.
Anh đây bạn thép bằng túa.
Come to.
Anh này thép cho bạn này.
Okay.
Bạn đây này. Cái này thép cho cái bằng túa.
It's full.
You better.
You hold this one. Now. Yeah. Okay, I can hold it like this.
Okay.
No problem.
Let's go. We go that side.
That side. Okay, we go that side then. Just a second. How much is tomato 1 kg? Oikon. How much is tomato 1 kg? Okay. Kublashibun ma. 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Parang? Yes, Paduh Poi. You can call me Paduh Poi. All right. Where it is? Here. Oh, here. That's right. Yes, we cook all together. So many veggies already here. So many veggies around. And big pork. Hello, how are you? Again. What's new? Still have space.
Let's go.
All right. Oh, it's getting heavy. Looks good. And pork leg. This is pork leg, na? Pork leg. This one. Oi ba, pork leg. Hello guys. Hello. Hello, how are you? Happy New Year. Love from UK. Wow, love from UK. Love back from UK. Greetings from India. Now we're gonna get some spices, yeah? Good afternoon. Mango, good afternoon. Hello, Jackie. Yeah, bolbaring, why not? I have bolbaring actually. I have bolbaring in my home. Which country? India. We are in India. I'm your biggest fan, AB family. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you for your support. Ah, is it so? Pork leg is good to make a soup or what? Okay. My wife went somewhere. Lade bamja. No, I haven't eaten it yet. Not eating yet. This is Meghalaya states. Beautiful state of India. Meghalaya. Guys, where are you watching? Where are you watching? From where? Thank you. Nice to see you both. Thank you very much. What Randin? I'm a big fan, Paduaki. Thank you very much. No, I am not Kasi, but my wife is Kasi.
Let's go.
Okay, we go. We go again. Vlogs you can buy. Dry fish. This is the dry fish. This is tumtap, isn't it? Or looks like tumtap. I'm not sure. Looks like tumtap only. Huh. Cherabanji. Oh, Cherabanji. Cherabanji is very beautiful place. Greetings from Nuevo Laredo. Oh, is in Mexico. Mexicans has find the channel. That's great to hear. I have been also in Mexico. Mexico is very beautiful place, and what I could say, the food is also one of the best in Mexico. No doubt about that. I'm telling you, it is very good. And Mexicans also, they love it very spicy. Habanero, tacos, tortillas. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Hot.
I don't speak Spanish, but I speak a little bit Portuguese. Oi, tudo bem? Tudo bem? Meu nome é Aki. Eu estou finlandês. Mas eu moro na Índia. Ah, muy bien, muy bien, muy bien. Yes, muy bien. Yes, yes, yes. Hello, hello. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Yes, Happy New Year. Yes.
Ayo också. Mina lägger
All right. Okay. Hello. Yes, Mexico is very, very beautiful place. I've been also Huasteca. Where else I have been? I've been in Acapulco. I have been in Coyote. I have been in Mexico City, obviously. What else? Many places around there. Huasteca is very beautiful place actually. And in Mexico also you have many waterfalls, like in Mechalaya. Ah. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. And Mexicans are also very nice people, like Indians. Indians is also very nice people. I love Indians. Obviously. Do you understand Kasi? I understand a little bit, but I should understand more, but I'm practicing. I'm practicing also my Hindi. Kitna paisa? Acha, ठीक है. Oi basa? Oi paisap? Or paisap? ठीक है. Acha. Have you went to Portugal? Yes, I have been in Portugal also. Portugal is also a nice place.
How many countries you have been?
How many countries I have been? I think approximately like 30 countries.
Give me this one. I can hold it.
30 countries I have been. Portugal is also, they make a nice wine. Very nice red wine, white wine. It's known for wines. And food is also very nice in Portugal. Greece, I have been also. Greece is very nice place. Portuguese is famous of Ronaldo, right? Of course, Cristiano Ronaldo. Is there any Cristiano Ronaldo fans?
I am.
You are?
I am a big fan of Cristiano Ronaldo.
Because it's always a fight between Neymar, Cristiano Ronaldo, what else? Messi. Yeah, those three. Obviously, there is another good guys. Another good football players. Mape is there.
Actually, we need to go from this side.
Many good football players. But I'm not so much into football or soccer. I'm more interested about the contact sports. Example, boxing, because I used to box. I used to go for competitions and tournaments. So that is my favorite sport. One of the favorite sports. I used to do skateboard also. Also some friends here. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Yes, Mike Tyson. Yeah, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, you know? Happy New Year, more. Happy New Year. Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we go that side, no? Is there anybody who?
Let's go.
Is there anybody?
One year, Jhur.
Is there anybody who watched the Mike Tyson and Jake Paul fight? You like McGregor? Obviously, I like him. I like his attitude also. Many people doesn't like, but I like it. I know what he means. When he talks, I know what he means. He's a salesman. It's a marketing. He's a master of marketing also. I like him, obviously. I would like to see him, handshake him. Maybe one day. Who knows? If God willing, why not? All are scripted. It's also business. They do business.
I like that new one.
Jake Paul, Mike Tyson, they do business together. Great match also.
Thailand or something. What is his name? That boxer. He's
Thailand.
short and he have a lot of tattoos. I forgot the name of that
You talk.
boxer. I
Who?
forgot. No, I'm asking you.
Oh, I don't
Actually,
know.
what is his name? You carry on your head. How I want to
head.
see how
Okay.
it looks. Let's see. Mình nhập bên ngoài Paduh lòng không lắm à?
It's like this.
Hả?
This how
Alright, come to
like this you carry.
Alright,
Oh, it's so much easier,
alright.
isn't it?
Now you look like a local.
Local only.
Yes.
Local
Typical
only.
local.
Ah.
Kasi.
Kasi
Local kasi mah.
Local kasi.
Kum tu kan? Kami
Kum tu.
tenat. Hiong kum no. Bahasa kum ne. Biket ya hap ha. Ya hap ha. Alright. Ya hap ha mo. Beiram ne. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. Paduh ikit pelayo.
How you call this again? This back?
Pelayo.
Playo.
Pla?
Blah.
Pla.
Blah.
It's not B, it's P. Pa.
P.
Pa.
Pa.
P for parrot. So it's pla.
Blah.
Yes,
Blah.
pla.
Okay.
Playo.
Like blah, 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 blah.
Not blah, it's pla.
Blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah.
pla. P for parrot. So
Uh-huh.
pla.
Blah.
Pla.
Okay, I got it.
Pla. It
Pla.
comes with P.
Pla.
Pla.
Blah.
Yeah, playo.
Playo.
Yes.
Playo. Okay, guys. We are heading back home. We have a lot of do because gonna cook all of
Getting
this.
ready for the food
Yeah.
to eat.
Yes.
In Bamja.
Bamja.
In Bamja.
We're gonna eat all these veggies. Gonna have a big family meeting today and enjoying today. So guys,
An kada kasin ka baning kong ro nam ta I na jengi na mangin celebrate ka New Year. Badi Elena ikun tu ni ma. We're
Ma.
gonna celebrate New Year with our baby girl, our princess.
of course.
With our princess, we're gonna
Obviously.
celebrate this New Year.
Obviously.
It's gonna be very beautiful.
Yes,
Very beautiful.
absolutely.
Bye.
So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Actually, I will be posting today a new video, so stay tuned and watch it and like it and share
Watch
it
it
and
all.
watch it all. There is so many good videos is coming.
Yes.
So stay tuned, guys. Thank you
Dang
for
shot, dang clan. Dang shot, dang clan.
Dang Shark, Kang
Dang
Klein,
Shine?
Dang Shine,
Dang clan.
Dang Klein,
Ublay.
Kublai,
Ublay.
Ublai.
Udang kurku ya pi.
Oh,
Ublay.
Ublai,
Udang.
Udang,
Kurku.
Kurku, Karku,
Yapi.
Yapi,
Baro.
Baro,
Kublay shibun.
Kublai Shibun.
Bye.
Bye guys, thank you very much.
Thank
Bye,
you.
bye. Shout out Mexico, shout out Mexico. Bye.
Shout out Meghalaya.
Meghalaya also, but there is Mexicans, so I say shout out for Mexicans also.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless you. Much love from AB family. Much love for Paduh. We appreciate you. Bye.